And now it's time for some baking soda in the carpet test. And do you know how difficult it is to go and get sand out of the carpet to go and clean it up to make sure that it doesn't affect your baking soda test? Well, it wasn't really a big deal at all. It was very easy with this Royal Pro series. Absolutely fantastic sand pickup. So let's see where we're at with the bag. Scale is so sensitive if you breathe on it. It moves. Oh, let's see. Maybe that's easier. No, that way you can't see. I can't even see that if I do that. Okay, let's go back to here. Let's see what we have. Okay, I'm looking at 87.62 grams. Yep, 87.62. That'll be our initial conditions. Now, let's get 10 grams on the smaller tray. Make sure there's no sandy particles in there. Let's see how accurate I can get this. So we're going to do 10 grams. So I'll do this so you can see it. Getting close. A little over. Spread that out a little bit. It's wonderful having a scale that is sensitive, and it's also aggravating because it picks up your breath. Do I dare mess with that? All right, 10 grams. Yay. Good enough for me. Now let me reset up so you can have a better view. The baking soda goes. So this has obviously tremendous airflow, but not so much through the carpet. It's got a bunch, but not as much as other machines, but it still has a bunch. Will the surface cleaning nozzle adjustment, that is, when you go and you set this thing 2 clicks down, be enough to go and pick all this baking soda up that now has fallen well down into the pile? try to make sure that nothing comes out. Right there, that is. Let me get my testing board, as it were. And I'm going to have to change the camera angle. So we started out at 87.62. Oh, I got a nice bit of light glare in there. There, I think that's gone now. Why stop the camera? I'll just keep rolling. Make sure I've got a good focus. There, hopefully you can see everything. Right, difference from 87.62. Yeah, that's good. All right. Ooh, it's good. Let me see if I can make that to where it's a little bit. Well, yeah, there's no way you can see that. I can't see it either. Okay, so we're going to have to go with that. And move this back again. Well, I move this way back again. I have 96.32. 96.332. Okay, we'll say 96.32. Hope you could see that. Minus 96.32. Okay, so we're looking at 8.7 out of 10 grams, and that would be 87%. So that's actually very good. But I don't think that was quite as good as what the Kirby Avalier did. It's still very, very good, but I think the Avalier has a little bit more oomph. And I think probably it has to do with this nozzle height. So this nozzle height, you run it 2 clicks down from the top, and it basically sits right on top of the carpet. But when you look at the typical Kirby, it runs a little further down into the carpet. Now, 87% is still fantastic. I ignore the minus sign. So that really is a great result. That beats a lot of machines for sure. And of course, remember, sand pickup for a non-metal beater bar type of machine, sand pickup is absolutely #1 so far. So fabulous with the baking soda. And now we move on to other tests. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.